YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video from The Cut, and it's titled, Guess Who's the Cheater? Now, a lot of people think they have their red flag system, like, up, and they know what signs to look out for and stuff like that, so we're going to see how you guys, and how I'm going to do today, man. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know how you did in the comments, man. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you.
Like a burnt orange or like a emerald green? It's very
Cheater.
Cheater?
Period. Burnt orange?
What? That's how we're moving out here?
Maybe emotionally. I've been an emotional cheater.
No.
Some people say that women cheating emotionally is worse than a man actually physically cheating. Let me know what you guys think.
Never.
I have. When I was younger, I was a player.
Oh, this man has
I guess
5
you could
kids.
Call me that.
You ever get caught?
I don't think so. They know now. If you dated me in my teen years, I
sure do.
apologize.
Have you ever been cheated on?
Yeah. I walked in on my best friend fucking my boyfriend.
What'd you do? What was your reaction?
Joined in. It's like, I'm kidding. Could you imagine?
How are you gonna spot the cheaters in this group?
I'm gonna try to get their vibe on like what they think about rules, see if they're suave, see what they think about polyamorous relationships.
Okay, that's a good strategy.
I'm ready to meet the line.
Okay, let's bring them on in.
What's poppin'? Hey y'all. Good morning, afternoon. What's up? I like your hair. It's cute. All right, let's see who these hoes are. Where the hoes at? Come on through.
I'm number one.
You are number one. Seems very nice and humble.
Cheater!
Okay. Smells nice. A little too nice, though.
Are you poly or anything like that?
I am poly, yeah.
Currently?
Yes,
But have
currently.
you been here for the duration?
No. Previously, I would consider myself a serial monogamist.
In a relationship,
You're
are you
no
good at communication?
monogamist.
I would say I'm a strong communicator. I probably overly communicate.
So I would suggest
cheater.
that when you get into a relationship, you communicate on what you want. So I don't think that you would cheat.
The fact that you went from serial monogamy to now poly is
Means you don't
something.
cheat, you wanna
My guess
explore.
is that you've cheated.
What's your favorite color?
Either like a burnt orange or like a emerald green. It's very
Cheater.
What?
Period. Burnt orange?
It's
That's
fire.
a very specific
That's
color.
a fire color.
And that's how you can get the panties choked off.
All right.
Yes,
That was
thank
easy.
you.
All right, can you do me a 360 spin?
The fuck
Yes.
does that have to do with anything?
Yes. I could see that you're a magnetic personality probably with the platinum hair and the neon earrings, the pecs. You obviously work out. I think you care about the way that you look.
You look like you have fun.
Caring about how you look makes you a cheater.
Do you think that makes me more likely to cheat?
I think that makes you more open for adventures. So, yeah, just a little
Open
bit,
for adventure.
maybe.
When did you lose your virginity?
Oh man, I feel like I was like 17 when I had my first kiss. And I was also 17 when I lost my virginity. So it's a great year.
I'm gonna say this one doesn't cheat.
I think you're a cheater. I had cheated at one point.
Thank you.
All right, pink hair. Let's see. All right. You
Unless
look
she said she
fine.
used to do drugs and have fun that
Do you
way, I don't think
get
she's
a lot
a
of
cheater.
attention?
No.
No.
Not at all.
You ain't lying.
I ain't lying.
Nobody flirts with you? You go by a construction site and
If only. If only.
Have you ever been with a girl before?
Not in the relationship.
But all three together?
Yeah. I
That's
tried.
my bitch. Fucks with it. I'm gonna say you're not a cheater. You're giving me like I'm open to anything. So like, why would you cheat if it's open? You know what I mean?
That
I
makes
think
sense.
you've cheated. I know you might think
I
that
think
you
she's
might
not
be
cheating.
standoffish or not open, but that's
I mean,
not my
pink
perception.
hair says
I
you're
feel
not
like there might have been
standoffish.
one that slipped in there. No pun intended.
Thank you, man.
What the fuck?
What's the longest relationship you've
Cheater.
ever been in?
Light skin niggas cheat, bro.
Are you in a relationship right now?
Dark skin doesn't cheat, you know
Is
what
there
I'm saying?
bad blood from that relationship?
Oh, there used to be. Ooh, there used to be. But now, you know, I'm good. I'm Gucci.
What's your sexual preference?
I love women.
All size, body shots, races.
Yeah, all types of races. I'm not picky.
Okay, what's
you a
your
cheater.
current like relationship
Cheater!
status now?
Oh, I'm single.
But before that, have you ever been in a polyamorous situation?
I can't do polyamory. If I'm with someone, I just couldn't see or visualize someone else drilling my chick. You know what I'm saying?
You don't, but that's like in your mind. You don't gotta think about the whole.
mean,
That's
how would you
you.
stop that?
Your partner, you're just looking at them like a whole.
I'm just saying for me personally,
Yeah.
I can have another man drilling my chick. No.
100%
Trying to say,
not.
it seems very principled, like very strongly about monogamy. So my guess
Yeah, for
is she
him.
has not cheated.
I think you're a cheater.
I'm gonna have to say cheater on this one. All
100%
respect.
this man's a cheater. Sky fist bump
Hi,
himself.
how are you?
Good, a little nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Cheater.
I guess who will see this video?
Ooh, she's nervous because someone's gonna see this video and it's a cheater video. This
Yep.
just gives like so much away. So is it an ex?
Yes, and their friends.
And their friends.
Wait, what?
Oh man, there's so much going through my head right now.
What's your type?
Really, really, really tall men and kind of toxic men.
So you're definitely not a cheater then. You're getting cheated on.
Have you ever been cheated on?
Yes.
What do you feel about cheating? Like, is that a deal breaker?
I didn't know that they cheated until after we broke up. So had I known, I probably would have ended it.
Probably.
I'll say he has not cheated.
I think that you cheated because you're nervous about the content of the video and who might see it. And they are mad
Facts.
and you understand.
Hello, my love. You're giving me nasty already.
I'm fucking
Vibrant
dead.
hair, so it screams charismatic energy. What's your sexual preference?
I'm pansexual. I prefer tall women and short kings.
Sorry.
What do you think about polyamorous relationships?
I do prefer polyamorous relationships.
Is that how you
Not a
started,
cheater.
or is that something you fell into?
No, I dated someone from the time I was 17 to when I was 23.
Were you ever cheated on in that monogamous relationship?
Yeah, I was.
Going from monogamous to being poly, you look back and you're not going, man, I was dumb for doing, or what, whatever happened as a young person, and you're like, no,
Not a
I'm
cheater.
gonna actually integrate what I like into my relationship. I think that they have cheated.
I don't think you're a cheater.
I'm gonna say not cheater because they're poly and it seems like they're very open. So therefore,
yeah, I guess
it's
if
a
somebody
free
says
for all.
they're
Everyone's just doing everything.
poly,
Sounds really
then
exciting.
they have no reason to cheat.
Liberating, if anything. I might have to hang out with her later.
I'm not doing anything after this. So.
I'm fucking dead.
I think I killed her.
Let's see. Let's see.
hands, who did Sebastian guess correctly?
Okay, bet.
Wait.
You got 4.
Ah, 2. Okay. I knew
so-
it. I knew it. I got it.
Hello, my love. Did I get you right?
You did guess me right. I have cheated.
See? Finesse. I
think I said
burnt
not.
orange. What's
It's
your
a
favorite
fire
Burnt
color.
orange. It is, I agree.
As far as the cheating goes, is that something you admitted to, or were you caught, or how did it all come out?
I admitted to it. I have a terribly guilty conscience.
Yeah.
So then, yo, people, if you
guys
have
are
a guilty
both at least
conscience, don't
admitting
cheat.
to it.
Yeah,
It's
in
pointless.
the monogamous culture that we live in, we haven't been taught to voice our needs. We've just been taught to be there and exist in our
Exactly.
partner's lives. I think non-monogamy has taught me how to be more vocal about the things that I need.
Next.
A lie?
You got me right?
I got you right.
Yep, not a cheater.
Knew it. Lover, not a fighter.
So I got you correct. Wrong. Okay.
Yeah, you guessed cheater. But I have never.
I don't even remember
Never.
what I
I would
said.
never. When I'm entering a relationship, I do just like fundamentally know myself well enough to know that like eventually I'm gonna wanna fuck someone else.
Okay.
So you communicated so you didn't have to cheat.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
upfront about
I'm
what
actually
you
curious to
wanted
see
to
what this
do.
pink
Yeah,
hair girl
yeah.
is.
Which is amazing. That's the
I think
best
she's
thing
not a
to do.
cheater, actually.
Nice to meet you.
I'm curious. I already know that.
Did I get you right?
You got me wrong. You said
So
I
you
wasn't
are.
a cheater.
Oh, shit.
One time. One off thing.
How did that happen? Why?
Young and dumb and
Full of cum.
Uh-huh. The fuck is wrong with this guy?
maybe.
Have you ever been cheated on?
I have. My ex-husband cheated on me with 2 of his best friend's wives.
Wives? Damn. How are you hanging in there? You feeling all right?
I'm a lot better now.
Did it take some
I
time?
still
What?
trust
still-
nobody.
Oh, nobody. Oh, you're fine, huh?
I agree.
Give me a hug, sis. It's crazy. But you shouldn't have cheated on the first one, bitch. It's like-
Oh, Shaughnessy.
Yes.
Good old slippery Shaughnessy.
We already knew
You
this.
actually were
So.
incorrect.
I was incorrect, but I was going down the one way and then I just went the other way because you seem so principled. Did you admit to
Nah,
it?
bro. Light skinned
did.
men's.
Would you go back and do the same thing?
No, I wouldn't go back to cheat. I feel like cheating is wrong. Don't cheat. Yeah, I would go
Yeah, okay.
definitely go back and be like, yo, I admit that I cheated.
All
because
men's
it's
that own
something
those
that
fur collars.
she should know.
Jackets.
Yeah, but you could also just
With
balance-
leather?
You are
Come
a
on,
savage. You are cold-hearted.
I know people want to know sometimes and all that, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't think it's necessary to admit to a hurt person that they were
100%.
cheated on also.
That makes sense. That makes
Facts.
sense.
Hello.
Hi.
So did I get you right, babe?
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm not a cheater.
Oh, okay.
But my ex thinks that I did.
Did you do something that they felt like was cheating or something?
They thought that we were on a break. I thought we were broken up. I kind of told one of our mutual friends, I think I might be catching feelings for someone else, I don't know. The mutual friend told my ex, and my ex was like, oh, so you were unloyal during the relationship.
See, that gets tricky because I feel like it's not really cheating, but it's kind of emotional cheating
Yeah.
because if you're not fully there mentally, then you basically are cheating because you're fucking him. We're thinking about someone else.
And I understand that.
What's broken up mean to you?
Whatever, man.
That's what I said, but I understand where they're coming
Emotional
from.
cheating is
If
cheating.
it was the other way around, I might have.
I think
felt the
guys
same way.
But
cheat
in your
less
mind,
emotionally
you
than
did not.
anybody, So.
And that's fair.
That was validating. Thank you.
Yeah.
So you did cheat?
Yeah.
You did cheat.
Yeah.
Ben
See,
said
those
she
kind
looked
eyes
like it.
fooled me. See,
When I was younger, I was like a
Nice.
serial cheater.
She looked like she
I
was out
cheated
there.
on pretty much everybody I've been with.
oh, I got it wrong, way wrong.
Like, I'm still
everybody.
learning. Like, I don't get it. If you're a poly, that means you can be with pretty much whatever you want, gender, whatever. Can you cheat in a polyamorous relationship?
Yes, you can.
What are the rules behind that?
speaking
I mean, every
About the
relationship is
person.
different. Kind of depends on
Like,
everyone's
what the
that you're
rules
doing
are.
something
boundaries.
with, like you
What
hide
your
it.
boundaries now or just what?
We'll communicate before anything happens so that we
Yeah.
know what's going on beforehand.
Well, thanks for sharing, because that's something that I really am like curious about. Because I'm just like, wait, there's new shit happening all the day, every day. Serial cheater into polyamorous relationship.
Crazy.
Think about it.
I think I did good there. I think I got like 4 out of 6. All right, I think so. Let me know what you guys did, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.